Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving deep into something that could totally change the game for software testers. Using generative AI, not just to boost your skills, but to unlock some seriously cool new income streams. We've got some awesome research and case studies to dig into, so get ready for a practical, action-packed exploration.
What's really exciting is how we're going beyond just using AI as a helper in testing. We're talking about AI becoming a core part of your toolkit and even your business.
Exactly. Imagine being able to create detailed test cases in minutes. Instead of spending hours doing it manually, that's the kind of efficiency generative AI can bring. Think of those models like OpenAI's GPT that are making waves for creating human quality text and code. This time, it's about applying that power to the world of software testing.
Think of it this way. You can have the AI automatically generate tons of test cases that cover all sorts of scenarios, or even simulate how real users would interact with your software. This means you can catch those sneaky bugs that might have slipped through the cracks before.
And get this, AI can help you find bugs before they even become a problem. By analyzing past data, AI can actually spot patterns and predict where bugs are likely to pop up. It's like having an AI sidekick. That helps you stay one step ahead.
This is where things get interesting. By becoming an expert in these AI-powered testing techniques, you can create multiple income streams for yourself.
Let's jump right into the first one. Offering automated test case generation as a service. Imagine you have a client with an e-commerce app. Instead of manually creating all the test cases for things like browsing products, adding to cart, and checking out, you could use AI to do the heavy lifting. You feed the AI the requirements, and it spits out a whole set of ready-to-use test cases.
And the beauty of this is you can customize your pricing. You could charge per project or offer a subscription service for ongoing test case generation, creating a nice recurring revenue stream for yourself.
Now, let's talk about the second income stream, AI-powered test automation. The demand for test automation experts is already sky high. But if you can add AI to your skill set, you're talking about a whole new level of efficiency and
It's
effectiveness.
about creating intelligent automation solutions that can learn and adapt over time. Think about complex scenarios, like a loan application process. In a fintech app, manually testing all the steps and calculations would be a nightmare. But with AI, you can automate the entire workflow, saving you a ton of time and effort.
Exactly. And that expertise can open doors to freelance gigs, high-paying contracts, or even building your own AI-powered test automation consultancy.
Now, for those of you ready to take things up a notch, the third income stream is creating your own AI-driven testing frameworks. This is where you build a custom testing solution powered by AI.
Let's say you build a specialized framework for healthcare apps. This framework could automatically flag potential compliance issues or security vulnerabilities, something healthcare providers would be willing to pay a premium for.
And once you've built this framework, you have options. You could license it to companies, offer it as a subscription service, or even sell it outright. It's a way to leverage your expertise and create a lasting source of income.
All right, on to income stream number 4, providing AI-powered data analysis for QA insights. You know how they say data is king? Well, in software testing, it's definitely queen.
AI is incredibly powerful when it comes to crunching large amounts of data and spotting patterns. So you can use this to go beyond just finding bugs. You can offer data-driven insights that help improve the overall quality of the software.
Think about a mobile app. You could use AI to analyze all the bug reports and customer feedback. By spotting trends and common issues, you can provide the development team with invaluable information to help them fix things faster and make the app more stable.
That's what elevates you from just a tester to a QA consultant. You're not just finding problems, you're providing strategic insights that help companies build better software.
We've covered 4 awesome income streams so far. But before we move on, let's be real for a second. This whole AI thing might seem a little daunting, so where do you even begin?
Well, one of the most important things is to familiarize yourself with the tools out there. We're talking about things like OpenAI's GPT models, integrating AI with existing testing tools like Selenium, and dedicated AI-powered testing platforms like Testum.
And for those of you who might not be familiar, Testim is really cool because it uses AI to create self-healing tests. That means your tests can automatically adapt to changes in the software, saving you a ton of time and effort in maintaining them.
Another key is building up your portfolio. As you start working with AI, document your successes, create case studies, record demos, anything that shows potential clients what you can do.
Remember that case study we mentioned about AI-powered regression testing for a retail app? That's a perfect example of how you can demonstrate the real-world benefits of using AI. In that case study, AI cut down the testing time from days to just a few hours.
Exactly. Now, even with all the skills and experience in the world, you need to make sure people know about your awesome AI-powered testing services.
So how do you get the word out?
Think about building a website to showcase your projects, publishing articles or case studies that highlight the benefits of AI, and getting involved in the tech community. That could mean attending conferences, joining online forums, or networking on LinkedIn.
And don't forget about education. You could offer workshops or webinars on AI in testing. That's a fantastic way to position yourself as an expert and attract clients who want to bring their teams up to speed.
So far, we've painted a pretty positive picture of AI in software testing. But it's important to acknowledge that it's not all sunshine and roses. There are some challenges and things to consider.
It's not a magic wand. That will solve all your testing problems overnight.
One of the biggest things to be aware of is data privacy and security, especially when you're dealing with sensitive client information. You need to be extremely careful about how you're using and storing data to make sure you're complying with all the rules and regulations.
And as amazing as AI is, it's not perfect. Sometimes it might generate false positives or come up with test cases that aren't quite right. So it's crucial to have a human tester involved to double check the AI's work and ensure everything is accurate.
Absolutely. And of course, let's not forget about the learning curve. The field of AI is constantly changing, so you'll need to stay on top of the latest advancements to remain competitive.
That means being open to new ideas, trying out different tools, and constantly expanding your knowledge.
Exactly. And don't be afraid to reach out to AI professionals. They can provide valuable insights and help you push the boundaries of what's possible with AI in testing.
So that wraps up part one of our deep dive. We've covered a lot of ground, from the basics of generative AI to the exciting income opportunities it can open up for software testers.
And we've touched on some of the challenges involved, highlighting the need for ongoing learning and a responsible approach to data privacy and security.
Now that we've gotten our hands dirty with the specifics, let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. What does this AI revolution really mean for your career as a software tester?
The key takeaway is that AI isn't just a fad that's going to fade away. It's fundamentally changing the game in software testing.
It's like we're at a crossroads, and the testers who embrace this change, who dive in and learn how to use AI to their advantage, those are the ones who are going to thrive.
Exactly. It's not about being afraid of AI taking over your job. It's about seeing AI as a powerful ally, a tool that can amplify your skills and open up new opportunities that you never thought possible.
Think about it as a collaboration. You bring your testing expertise to the table, and AI brings its ability to automate those tedious tasks, analyze mountains of data, and even predict where bugs are likely to hide.
And remember those income streams we talked about. AI can help you build a successful testing business, whether you're offering automated test case generation, becoming an AI-powered automation expert, creating your own testing frameworks, or providing those valuable data-driven insights as a consultant.
It's about taking control of your career and shaping your future in this exciting new world of software testing.
Before we wrap things up, let's take a moment to reflect. We've covered a lot of ground in this deep dive, but what's resonating with you the most?
What sparked your curiosity? What's got you excited about the possibilities of AI? Is it the idea of automating those repetitive tasks, finding bugs more efficiently, or maybe even building your own AI-powered testing empire?
Think about what truly excites you and how you can take that first step towards integrating AI into your testing toolkit.
This is your chance to be a pioneer in the future of software testing. Don't be afraid to experiment, to learn, and to push the boundaries of what's possible.
And speaking of pushing boundaries, remember that we talked about creating AI-driven testing frameworks. Let's take that concept a step further. What if you combine that with providing data analysis services?
Whoa, that's interesting. You're not just giving the client the testing solution. You're also giving them deep insights extracted from the AI's analysis.
Imagine delivering a report that highlights potential problem areas, trends and bugs, and even suggestions for improving code quality. You'd be offering so much more than just basic testing. You'd be a true partner in helping them build better software.
It's like you're going from being a bug detective to a software quality architect.
Exactly. And that's something to keep in mind as you explore these opportunities. Think outside the box. Get creative. Don't limit yourself to just one path. Combine your skills and see how you can leverage AI to create something truly unique and valuable.
It's about having that entrepreneurial spirit and seeing the bigger picture. AI is a powerful tool, but it's up to you to wield it effectively.
Now, with that in mind, let's shift gears and talk about a crucial aspect of AI-powered testing that we haven't dived into yet: the challenges. As much as we'd like to believe it's a silver bullet, there are some hurdles you need to be prepared for.
Right. AI isn't perfect, and jumping into this new world can feel a bit overwhelming. But understanding the challenges is the first step to overcoming them.
One of the biggest concerns, especially when you're dealing with sensitive client data, is privacy. You need to be incredibly meticulous about how you handle and store that data to ensure you're complying with all the relevant regulations.
It's not just about protecting your clients, it's also about maintaining your own ethical standards and reputation.
And remember, as advanced as AI is, it's still prone to making mistakes. You might encounter false positives, where the AI flags something as a bug when it's not, or it might generate test cases that aren't quite right.
That's why it's so important to have a human tester involved in the process. You need someone with the experience and expertise to validate the AI's output and make sure everything is on track.
Think of it as a partnership. The AI does the heavy lifting, but you're the conductor, guiding the orchestra and ensuring a harmonious outcome.
No. Another challenge that comes with this exciting new world of AI-powered testing is the constant need to learn and adapt. The field is evolving at an incredible pace, with new tools and techniques emerging all the time.
It can feel like a race against time, but that's also what makes it so exhilarating. To stay ahead of the curve, you need to embrace continuous learning, explore new AI models, experiment with different platforms, and stay up to date on the latest research and best practices.
Don't be afraid to dive into online courses, attend webinars, or connect with other AI enthusiasts in the testing community. There's a whole world of knowledge out there waiting to be explored.
And remember, you don't have to go it alone. Reach out to AI professionals, connect with mentors, and build a network of people who can support your journey. Collaboration is key in this fast-paced field.
Okay, so we've talked about the incredible opportunities AI offers, but we've also acknowledged the challenges that come with it. Now, let's dive into something that can help you navigate this new landscape and showcase your skills: building a killer portfolio.
Your portfolio is your secret weapon. It's how you prove to potential clients that you're not just talking the talk, you're walking the walk.
Think of it as your AI-powered testing resume. It's where you showcase your expertise, your creativity, and your ability to deliver real-world results.
So, what should you include in this portfolio? Well, start by documenting your successes. Every time you successfully implement AI in a testing project, write a case study, highlight the challenges you faced, the solutions you developed, and the impact AI had on the project's outcome.
Remember that case study we mentioned about AI reducing regression testing time for a retail app? That's a perfect example of what you can include in your portfolio. Quantify the benefits, showcase the efficiency gains, and let the results speak for themselves.
And don't just rely on written case studies. Create videos, demos, or even interactive presentations that showcase your AI-powered testing skills in action.
Think about it this way. You're not just selling your services, you're selling the future of testing. You're showing clients how AI can transform their software development process.
And as you build your portfolio, don't be afraid to get creative. Experiment with different formats, showcase a variety of projects, and tailor your content to your target audience.
Now, building a portfolio is essential, but it's only half the battle. You need to make sure people actually see it.
That's where promotion comes in. You need to get the word out about your AI-powered testing services and attract clients who are looking for that cutting-edge expertise.
So, what are some effective ways to promote yourself in this exciting new world of AI-driven testing?
Well, the first step is to create a strong online presence. Build a website that showcases your skills, your experience, and your portfolio. Make sure it's easy to navigate, visually appealing, and optimized for search engines.
And don't underestimate the power of social media. Create profiles on platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and even Instagram. Share your insights, engage with other testers, and build a community around your expertise.
Another powerful strategy is content marketing. Write blog posts, articles, or even ebooks that delve into the benefits of AI in testing. Share your knowledge, establish yourself as a thought leader, and attract clients who are looking for guidance in this evolving field.
And don't forget about the power of networking. Attend industry conferences, join online forums, and connect with other professionals in the testing community. You never know where your next big opportunity might come from.
Now, As you promote your services, it's essential to be clear and concise in your messaging. Don't overwhelm potential clients with technical jargon. Focus on the value you bring to the table. How can AI help them save time, reduce costs, improve quality, and ultimately build better software?
Remember, you're not just selling AI, you're selling solutions. You're selling the promise of a more efficient, effective, and intelligent testing process.
Okay. We've covered a lot of ground in this part of our deep dive. We've explored the bigger picture of AI's impact on the testing landscape, the importance of continuous learning, the challenges you might encounter, and the power of building a strong portfolio and promoting your services.
As we head into the final stretch of this episode, let's wrap things up with some key takeaways and some food for thought to inspire your journey into the world of AI-powered software testing.
Throughout this deep dive, we've emphasized that AI is not just a trend. It's a fundamental shift in how we approach software testing.
It's a shift that presents both incredible opportunities and unique challenges. But those who embrace this change, who invest in their skills, and who are willing to adapt and innovate, will be the ones who shape the future of this exciting field. So as we wrap up this deep dive into AI-powered software testing, let's leave you with a final thought, something to really spark your imagination. We've talked about these income streams as separate paths, but what if? What if you combine them?
That's a fascinating idea. Think about the possibilities.
Yeah.
You could build an AI-powered testing framework that not only automates the testing process, but also analyzes the results and provides those deep data-driven insights we talked about. It's like offering a complete package, a one-stop shop for all your clients' testing needs.
It would be like offering a super-powered testing solution. Not only would your clients get faster and more efficient testing, but they'd also get those detailed reports that pinpoint potential issues, highlight trends, and even offer suggestions for improving their code.
Exactly. You'd be going beyond just finding bugs. You'd be helping them build better software from the ground up. You'd be a true partner in their success.
That's such a great point. It's about taking this AI technology and not just using it to automate tasks, but really leveraging it to create something innovative and valuable. It's about having that entrepreneurial mindset and seeing the bigger picture.
Absolutely. And remember, this is just the beginning. The field of AI is constantly evolving, and the possibilities are truly endless. So keep exploring, keep learning, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI in software testing.
And on that note, we've reached the end of our deep dive. We hope you found this exploration insightful and empowering. We certainly enjoyed delving into this topic with you.
Remember, the future of software testing is being shaped right now, and you have the power to be a part of it. So go out there, experiment, innovate, and create the future of testing you want to see.
Until next time, keep learning, keep testing, and keep pushing the boundaries.